Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel. Today, we are counting down the top 10 most popular Pakistani actresses. Starting off at number 10, we have Sanam Malik. With a career spanning over a decade, she has become a household name in Pakistan, known for her roles in hit dramas such as Dastan and De-e-Shewar. At number 9, we have Hania Amir. This young actress made her debut in the film industry with the blockbuster hit, Janan, and has since become one of the most sought-after actresses in Pakistan. Ayeza Khan comes in at number 8. With her cute and bubbly personality, Ayeza has won the hearts of audiences with her roles in dramas like Ghar Titli Ka Paar and Badi. Yumna Zaidi takes the number 7 spot. Known for her versatile acting skills, Yumna has starred in a range of dramas including Raz-e-Ulfat and Sinf-e-Ahan. Iqra Aziz comes in at number 6. This talented actress has quickly risen to fame with her roles in hit dramas like Suno Chanda and Ranja Ranja Kar Di. Mevish Hayat rounds out the top 5. With a successful career in both film and television, Mevish is known for her roles in dramas like Ishq Mein Tere and Tamgha-e-Imtiaz Recipient. At number 4, we have Sajal Ali. With her powerful performances in dramas like Aurangzeb and Yaqeen Ka Safa, Sajal has established herself as one of the most talented actresses in Pakistan. Ayeza Khan takes the number 3 spot. With her stunning looks and impressive acting skills, Ayeza has become one of the most popular actresses in Pakistan, known for her roles in dramas such as Mia Paas Tum Ho and Tum Kaun Piya. Saba Qamar comes in at number 2. With a successful career in both film and television, Saba is known for her roles in hit dramas like Bishram and Cheek. And finally, at the top spot, we have Mahira Khan. With her captivating performances in dramas like Humsafar and Bin Roye, Mahira has cemented her place as the most popular actress in Pakistan. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more top 10